color modification and printing output of packaging boxes. Hello everyone, today we are studying color modification and printing output of packaging boxes. There are two main methods for drawing the structure of pre-press packaging boxes. One is to be drawn by professionals who make live plates in CAD software, accurately reflecting the details of the box shape, which we call live plate lines. Live plate line can not only serve as a basis for paper box replication or design production, but also as a basis for making die-cutting plates. Another type is in actual production, where there are no professions who produce live plates to provide live plate lines. Pre-press, design, and production personnel need to draw schematic diagram of the packaging box in Illustrator or CorelDRAW software. The overall structure of the box is correct, but the details are not reflected, which we call the finished product line. The finished product line can only be used as a basis for paper box replication or design and production, and generally does not need to be directly used for making live plates. Requirements for the finished product line in pre-press production. First, correct structure dimensions. Second, no requirements are made for details, such as insertion plates and dust flaps. Third, the line type should be uniformly single-solid line. Fourth, the color of the lines must be spot color, and overlay printing should be set. Fifth, the fineness of the lines is generally around 0.25 pt. The finished product line is used in pre-press production to locate and inspect the layout, and must be removed before plate making. Below, Illustrator software will be used to modify the color of the packaging box. First, in Acrobat software, open the packaging box color modification file, check the file, and find the following errors in the file. First, the position of the Enterprise logo in the upper left corner of the box is reversed. Second, the color of a certain section of text on the side of the box is incorrect. Third, open the print production output preview and find that the document color is full color, but the blade lines and finished lines in the box should be set as spot colors. They can be hidden during actual printing and do not need to be printed. But if they are full color, they cannot be hidden. In response to the issues identified above, the operators need to modify the output file before printing. Second, open the modified file in Illustrator software and open the panel tools that need to be used. Window, Layer, Color Palette, Stroke, and Properties Control Panel. Third, in the Layer panel, the words Osmethes T are placed on a separate layer, named Pantone 2995C. This means that these words need to be printed using Pantone Spot Color 2995C. But the spot color is not reflected in the Color Palette panel. You need to modify the setting again. Select the text. Open the Color Palette library menu in the Color Palette. In the Color Palette, select Pantone. Plus Solid Coated, and 2995C. Find the spot color number, and apply it to the words Osmethes T. The difference between spot color and full color icons is that those with a black dot in the bottom right corner are spot colors, while those without a black dot are regular full color icons. Remove the previously set normal color of cyan from the palette. Fourth, using the selection tool in layer 1. Select one red blade line and use the Select Cyan Stroke Color command to select all red blade lines. In the stroke panel, change Fine to 0.25 pit. In the color palette, double-click red, and in the dialog box, change the color name, cutting, and color type to spot color. Create a new layer in the layer, name it Cutting, and move the red blade lines to the Cutting layer. In the Properties panel, check the Overprint Stroke command. Fifth, use the Selection tool to select the green blade line in layer 1. Use the Select Cyan Stroke Color command to select all green blade lines. In the stroke panel, change the Fine to 0.25 pt. In the color palette, double-click on the green color. In the dialog box, change the color name, Crimson, and the color type to spot color. Create a new layer in the layer, name it Crimson, and move the green blade lines to the Crimson layer. In the Properties panel, check the Overprint Stroke command. Sixth, use the View Contour command, shortcut key Ctrl+Y to convert the page content into a contour line view. Use the Direct Selection tool to select the reversed Enterprise logo, and then use the Rotation tool to rotate it to the correct position. Use the Selection tool to select the black text block on the side of the box. Click Coloring, change the text color to coffee color in the palette. And right-click the Create Contour command to convert the text to contour curve. After all modifications are correct, save as. Seventh, open the file with successfully modified packaging box color in Acrobat software and open the print production. Output preview. You can see that in addition to the 4 colors, 3 spot colors have been added, namely Pantone 2995C Cutting and Crimson colors. 8th, open the Printect Cockpit 2019 software. Drag the modified file of the package box into it. Create a new item. Select the digital printing label. The printing settings on the right, select Tray 4, which holds SRA3 size, I.E.320 multiply 464mm copper plate paper in the layout settings. Select single-sided printing. Uncheck all cutting marks. No need to enter information text in the color settings. You can use the spot color option to perform color tracing printing on the spot color. 9th, click on the ink icon to see all the colors needed in the file. In addition to the regular 4-color ink, there are also 3 spot color inks that we have modified and created. Select Creating to ignore in the target and cutting to ignore in the target. This way, the cutting lines will not be printed when outputting. After saving, return to digital printing. At this time, the red and green cutting lines in the layout page will no longer be visible in the picture. Click Submit to view the output effect. The above is the content of this lesson. Thank you, everyone.